Yes. Yes. Thank you, Deepti.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
In the end, I would like to thank all the students for their participation today and would love to welcome you all in the coming session to the college. God bless you all. Thank you.
Coming to our next part, it is a moment of pride for us to have our distinguished alumni connected to this platform. These brilliant ex-students have excelled in various domains, bringing laurels to our college. They are really an inspiration to the incoming students. First, I would like to invite Princy Dhupar for her message to all the students. Princy Dhupar is a commerce graduate of 2009-12 batch. She did her MBA in Marketing and Finance from New Delhi Institute of Management in 2012 to 14. She has been working with multiple industries starting from ITC, Spice Digital and now IT. Currently, she is working with Bridgestech Innovation Private Limited, a custom software development company managing the business development vertical primarily. She has been a key part of growing organization and startup with
Ma'am, you are mute, I think.
sorry. Just a minute. Princy Dhupar, our alumnus, is a commerce graduate of 2009 to 12 batch. She did her MBA in Marketing and Finance from New Delhi Institute of Management in 2012 to 14. She has been working with multiple industries starting from ITC, Spice Digital and now IT. Currently, she is working with Bridgestech Innovations Private Limited, a custom software development company managing the business development vertical primarily. She has been a key part of growing organizations and startups with ways and means to make their idea more profitable and innovative. Primarily into business consultation, lead enhancement, revenue generation, opportunity and account management. She has been
Ma'am, mute again.
Ma'am, you are mute again.
Welcome, Princy. We would love to listen to your words after so many years. Over to you, please.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, Deepti ma'am. Thank you for a very good introduction. Hello, everybody. As Deepti ma'am said that I have studied commerce in DAV in 2009-12, and from there itself I have pursued my career. In terms of DAV, I believe that DAV is one of the best platforms you will get in contact with in all over North. There are many colleges around Tri-City which are associated with the Punjab University, but DAV is one of the commendable colleges which provides you the best of the platforms to enhance your extracurricular activities, academics, and that probably provides you the best of the platforms to just move forward and showcase whatever you have. Although it is, be it teacher support in your academics or giving it a stage to showcase your talent, theater, public speaking, cultural activities, many more. DAV would actually stand beside you no matter what. Principal Sir, Deepti ma'am, Kiran ma'am, all of them mentioned correctly that there is Agaz, there is Lasya Club. I myself have been part of those clubs where I have been not part of those public speaking and all in my school times, and I really got that stage when I entered here. So what I realized when I moved out to the outer world, I moved to Delhi. DAV is one of those colleges which people recognize all over India. You get in contact with diverse regions, students, you get in contact with multiple students coming from multiple cities and states. But when you move out of Chandigarh to other cities, states, probably countries as well. So DAV and Punjab University is few of the institutions where you don't need to actually explain that where are you from. And DAV primarily is one of those. I still remember when I went out for interviews, I actually never did an explanation that what DAV is and what kind of platform DAV provides. Coming back to the teachers out there, so teachers and the support which they will be providing all of you is really commendable. Starting from, so I was a commerce student, so business studies, accounts and law were the main subjects, and this was a big scary subject for all of the students. I would really like to mention Joy ma'am here, because she was one of those lecturers we really got, and we were very lucky in that manner that she used to make us study all of those subjects. And she actually made us a point that whatever we are studying, we are understanding that what we are going to take when we move out, and we understood all of the concepts, and I still remember those. She is so good with her notes that you will not be even liking to open a book. She will actually complete everything in her notes, and I believe that she is carrying all of that till the very date. Principal sir mentioned about the library. I would not even have a second thought on that. Deepti ma'am and the whole library staff is actually there with you no matter what. Be it your normal academics books, be it your extra books which you just want to study as a hobby. They will never back out. They will actually take that extra step ahead and support you, be with you, actually standing shoulder to shoulder. Even if you just go into her door and if you just say that ma'am ye aise kar le, ya ye ek event aa raha hai, let's try and do this way. So she and her staff will be one of those who will be taking that extra step, supporting you, all of those things. Then yes, the infrastructure is one of, again, a very good infrastructure. I myself did my counseling when I was starting my BCom, so I went to multiple colleges in Tri-City, and I have seen the colleges infrastructure, and DAV stands apart from that. Sports again. So DAV stands apart when it comes to academics, but it also stands apart when it comes to fun. The cultural fest, the elections are one of those big events you will have to see in the whole year. They will give you that platform to come forward and see what all you can do from your studies. So be it bachelor's or be it master's, associating with DAV is a very, very big thing. At least it was for me and my batchmates. We never had any second thoughts that why DAV. I mean, I have been listening to DAV and about DAV since long years, and I knew that where I'm entering into, because I had heard so much about them. And when I entered, I have been listening about DAV from almost 20-25 years from my elder sisters and brothers. I would really like to mention here that the prestige and the kind of aura which DAV had 30 years back, it still has. And that is one of the very big things when I would like to congratulate everybody out there that they have been maintaining that all across. So you will not, so you will, the moment you will enter into DAV, you will see that, okay, now you are a grown-up kid because you are entering your college days. But again, you will always seek that support and that hand-holding from your lecturers, your teachers, your supporting staff, that they will be there with you all across. So, no second thoughts. I had been with DAV since quite long, and I'm still here. So, there with you. No second thoughts on that, be it cultural activities, be it extracurricular activities or academics. Getting into DAV is a very, very good and thoughtful decision. So all the best, everybody. And thank you, Deepti ma'am, for giving me this platform to share my experience.
Thank you, Princy. Thank you so much for your loving, encouraging, inspiring words. God bless you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
It is so gratifying to have Nikhil connected with us. an alumnus of our college. He worked hard and rose to become a commissioned officer in Indian Air Force. Nikhil did his BA with Economics Honours from 2013 to 16 batch. He did his Masters in International Business from University Business School, Punjab University. Thereafter, he worked with Airtel for some time and then joined Air Force Academy. And now he is a commissioned officer in Indian Air Force. Nikhil, your zeal to serve the nation is a motivation for everyone. Over to you, please. Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. At the outset, I thank all the members of DSW for giving me this opportunity to be part of DAV event after so many years. Though everything about DAV has been beautifully put up by Princey ma'am already in front of you, at the cost of repetition, I'll put up my story about DAV. So I think 22nd July 13, almost about 7 years ago from today, I joined DAV, and I was both.
Nikhil, अपनी video on कर लो, please. Please switch on your video.
I think it's already on, ma'am.
No, it's off, Nikhil. देखो तो.
Just a second.
जी.
It's off now, and now it's showing me on.
Okay.
Am I visible? Is my video there?
No, Nikhil, it is not there. You are audible, but we cannot see you.
Just a second, then I'll call you back, ma'am, in case you allow.
Anyways, continue, please. Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
जी.
Is video coming now?
No, Nikhil.
Okay, then I'll continue like this, ma'am.
Right. It's okay.
I was like, I joined DAV about 7 years ago, and I was both excited and nervous, leaving my parents, my home for the first time, and staying in a hostel. But trust me, those 3 years in DAV, they turned out to be one of the most interesting and fruitful phases of my life. And apart from starting for academics, apart from giving me a strong foundation of knowledge, helping me build a strong foundation, faculty there has motivated me to be independent. So I still remember those economics class, like wherein we had to present a current topic and their impact on economy, and trust me, that really made me change the way I analyze things today. So I just feel like those are the skills that I wouldn't have acquired if it would have other colleges and effort and like something we had to do, research kind of thing we had to do for the presentation. Wherein library, Lalchan library, I guess it helped a lot. See, like as the aim of the college education and college libraries is interrelated, and similarly this Lalchan library was very well equipped and equally well managed by the staff here. So it personally helped me with reference material related to my competitive exams, and keeping myself up to date. So I definitely believe academics was a very solid and high part there. As far as opportunities go, DAV, it has so many connections in terms of internships, in terms of getting a job. I personally didn't get my job from DAV as being someone who wanted to join forces, but I do know a lot of my friends who actually did get their jobs, and so there are a lot of opportunities. You basically can work wherever you want to. The location is probably the best thing about DAV, because being in Chandigarh, I personally have grown up so fast, like I can't even explain. I just felt so ahead, and there are so many temptations that just we have to.
I think there is some signal problem. Nikhil has got disconnected. No problem. We'll wait for his rejoining and then we'll have his message again. Coming to our next alumnus is our ex-student Piyush, who has made a mark by associating himself with various creative and innovative events. He did his bachelor in business administration from 2016 to 2019. Piyush is TEDx licensee for DAVC. He has organized and compared many events for PTC real estate companies. His firm Creative Dreams provides platform for inspiring and talented youth. Currently, he is working with Delhi-based startup Outscale, which is in EdTech space, and where he takes care of whole marketing, content creation, the brand building at Outscale. Piyush, please, can I have you? Piyush, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ji.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Good afternoon. Piyush.
And am I visible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, firstly, it's an honor to be here. And usually I just start with the namaskar. And thank you so much for having me here, Deepti ma'am.
Piyush, just a minute. Sorry to disturb you. Nikhil, we'll have your message after Piyush. You got disconnected. Now you are visible too. Okay.
I guess we can.
No, Piyush, please carry on. We'll have his message after yours, right? Carry on, please carry on.
Okay, cool. So, firstly, thanks a lot to have me here, and respected principal sir, and Dr. Kiran Huda ma'am, and Dr. Naveed sir, and Deepti ma'am. It's an honor to be here. So, basically, I just wanted to share a few things with you all. So, like I graduated. Firstly, I am basically from the Queen of Hills, Shimla, and I like graduated in 2019 from DAV College, and I pursued BBA and like graduated in 2019. So basically, I am a TEDx licensee, and during this 3 years of duration, jab I was actually in college, the whole experience was a big learning experience. You get to learn a lot of things. So, like, I'll not go in depth of the academics, because we have already discussed a lot of things. Like, a lot of things that I have prepared till now, they're like majorly they have been spoken by someone or the other. So, I'll majorly talk about some other things, the other co-curricular activities that you usually get exposure of, a lot of things that you're gonna get when you firstly join DAV College. So, like talking of firstly the location where it is set up, so it's in Sector 10. So, the heart of city Chandigarh. It's quite near to Punjab University. So, since I came for the very first time to Chandigarh when I joined DAV College, so I'm basically from Shimla. So coming for the very first time to Chandigarh. So when you join a college that is in the center of the city, so firstly it becomes really easy for you to commute from here and there. So nearby is Sector 15, and Punjab University is really along. So even if you have to travel here and there, it becomes really easy for you to commute in across the whole city. So like the place where it is positioned is like quite appropriate and one of the best position to have your college in Chandigarh firstly. Secondly, when you enter the campus, you will enjoy the environment a lot. So we have a really big cricket ground in DAV College. So firstly, when you enter the college, you'll see the cricket ground, and you'll be like more than excited to see how big cricket ground we actually have. That's the one of the reason why we have great alumni like Kapil Dev, Yuvraj Singh, Yograj Singh. And then when you enter the campus, we have really good canteen and coffee house where you'll get some really good food, and like it will be good for you to chat with your friends and everyone in the coffee house. And like eventually talking about my experiences, what I experienced in this 3 years of duration. Like firstly, I was like quite inclined towards the event industry, and I was like from my school time more inclined towards co-curricular activities. So I was more into events and these kind of things. And so firstly, when I joined college, there are multiple clubs and society which will give you a lot of exposure. So there are societies in commerce, like CNM society, I remember. One is economic society, and there are like various number of societies talk about dramatics, talk about art, talk about singing, dancing, everything. Like you'll get exposure of everything. Like it's not a local exposure, but you'll be having people coming from across the country, and you will see the competition that is going to happen from different parts of country when you interact with and network with people who are totally from different part of the country. So you actually got to get to talk to them and experience things with them. So talking about me, I gave interview to all these clubs, like major clubs that we have in college, and like luckily I got selected in all of them. And so the first year when I entered the college, in this first year I got to experience a lot of things, like how things are going in this club and what they are doing in the other club. There were a lot of events going on. And like later, we in the first year there was a different principal. So in a second year of education, Pawan sir joined, and then we have seen like how things changed in DAV college. So we have actually realized that the quality of things went quite up when Pawan sir joined with us. So like one of the main thing that I can point out here is that the level of academics, and secondly the level of events that were going to actually happen in the college. So the annual festival that we have is Karma. So you will see India's one of the biggest celebrities coming to the college campus when the event is happening. And if you are part of the organizing committee, you will also experience actually how national and international level events happen. So coming back to the event that I organize, so basically I guess some of you might be familiar with TEDx. So it's a USA based big NGO non-profit organization, and you will see a lot of TED talks that you might be aware of, that you might have seen till now. So I got a license to organize this event from USA, and I wanted to organize this event for like, I was preparing for it from my first year, but eventually I got the license in my final year. So the moment the people in college came to know that I got a license to organize a TEDx event, like there was extreme kind of support that I started getting from the faculty and like different people in the college. So from principal sir to the DSW department, Dr. Kiran Huda ma'am, Dr. Deepti ma'am, Navneet sir, like it was, I cannot express how supportive they were during the whole this duration, from the day we started planning the event to the day we actually executed it. We had more than 17 speakers, international speakers, coming from more than 3 or 4 countries, and like more than 10 states in India. They joined us back in DAV college, and that was a really big event. And right now, if you go and check out on YouTube, we have, if you just search DAV college, TEDx DAV college on YouTube, you will get probably like 10 to 15 videos that are being uploaded by TED, like which has somewhere around 20 million subscribers on YouTube, more than 20 million now. So like, yes, it was a really great experience. And talking of academics, like you'll get a really great support. असाइनमेंट्स जो आपको यूजुअली मिलेगी वो बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल होगी, बहुत ज्यादा प्योरली थ्योरेटिकल नहीं होगी. मैंने बीबीए परस्यू की थी खुद से. सो बीबीए में लाइक हमें प्रोजेक्ट्स, जो फाइनल ईयर में प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करने पड़ते हैं, लाइक यू हैड टू एक्चुअली वर्क टू सबमिट दोज प्रोजेक्ट. अगर आप प्रैक्टिकल काम नहीं करोगे तो आप प्रैक्टिकली वो प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट भी नहीं कर पाओगे. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस होल ड्यूरेशन I used to host a lot of shows across India, so I got an opportunity to do multiple shows. I had my event management firm back in Chandigarh. So one thing I wanted to point out, like apart from everything that I've put it till now, is that academics is one thing that DAV college is gonna focus on you. Apart from academics, like you during college life, be it any college in India, any college across world, you will get a lot of time in your college days, like a lot of free time in your college days. So जो वो free time आपको college वाले दिनों में मिलता है, वो free time आप usually DAV college में बहुत अच्छे से invest कर पाओगे अपने साथ, क्योंकि यहाँ पर इतने सारे clubs है, इतने सारी societies है, जिनमें से अगर आप 1 या 2 society के साथ भी अगर involve हो जाते हो, so you'll get a international level exposure. क्योंकि जो alumni यहाँ से पास आउट हुए, like talking of the आगाज, जो dramatics का club है, that was being started by Ayushman Khurana back when Ayushman Khurana was in the college. सो उस टाइम से लेके स्टार्ट होता है. अभी भी whenever आयुष्मान खुराना is in Chandigarh, he makes sure that he comes to college. He talk to people who is in आगाज, जो अभी आगाज को ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. सो उस तरह से आपको बहुत सारा एक्सपोजर इन फील्ड्स में मिलने वाला है. So probably like majorly this is what I wanted to share कि academics में DAV college is always excelling. So it's not only academics, but we have extra things going on in the college too, which will give you international level exposure. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Piyush. Thank you so much for your words. God bless you, Vijay. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Over to you, Nikhil, please. Our commissioned officer in Indian Air Force.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible and visible?
Ji, yes, you are.
Yes.
Please
I'll
start.
continue with where I left. So the best thing about DAV, I'll continue with is probably the location, because as already covered by Piyush, that because being in Chandigarh, I personally have grown up so fast there, and I can't even explain, just I felt so ahead of others. There are so many temptations that you have to learn how to just like not indulge in. It's so busy that we learn how to use our time, how to manage our time better, how to study better. And it's just, Chandigarh is such a great city to grow up in. Always there is something going on. There are tons of free events, tons of festivals, and there's always somewhere to go. And this is how the life at DAV was, a wild mishmash of experiences, and lot of hilarious stuff going on down in hostels, which is a different chapter altogether. So in terms of my college, my thoughts would be, if you are someone who want to grow up with the skills to cope up with the challenges of this fast-changing world, then I totally think that DAV is the place to be. And see, you have to grow up. And if you think a college as a stepping stone for your career ahead, then DAV is the place to be. So to the final years, see, people might try to motivate you by telling you that you have to study through your school life and still during your college life. But believe you me, this isn't true. This learning never ends. At last, to the students, I wish a creative and responsible approach towards education, and with lots of fun and healthy life. Let the years at DAV be the brightest years of your life. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you. You are connected here from Bihar, no? Bihar?
Ma'am, Bidar, Karnataka.
Karnataka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Most welcome.
Another sweet, brilliant alumnus of our college is Sanjana Arora, the student of the year 2019. She completed her BA Political Science Honours in 2019 from our college, won various debate competitions, first in zonal, second in interzonal youth festival, a very talented anchor who performed at various events of the companies, and in Elante VR Cosmo Mall too. Also a recipient of Best Talent and Best Speaker title by Horlicks Biscuits at South Asian level. Currently, she is pursuing MA Political Science and preparing for competitive exams. Sanjana, please, let's have your bold and beautiful voice once again.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you, Principal Sir, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity and feeling me capable enough to be the alumni who can share my experience with other students who are about to take their admission. And to the other students who are who was probably having the same feeling 3-4 years back when I was supposed to enter my college life. You must be very confused that where you need to go, because now you're going to make an investment of 3 years depending upon your course. And so was I was very bewildered because number one, I had medical subjects my 11th and 12th, and later on I changed my stream even after being capable of getting into a medical college. So I was looking for the colleges. And as Principal Sir also mentioned that when you enter the college, the first thing that you'll see is the motto of the college, that is arise, await, and stop not till the goal is reached. So when I was looking for a suitable college for me, I entered the campus of DAV and I saw this motto, and after that I did not look for other colleges and I decided that I will be in this college only, because that is what you need to learn in life, that we need a platform which motivates us to pursue our goals and do not stop in between. And for that, we need a platform as well as a support system. And DAV has definitely been the best support system I could have got in terms of platforms, in terms of teachers. So, many of you might be having the similar fear which I had, that is, after your school life, things change. Things definitely change, but we think that after school life, teachers will not be as caring, as personal attention giving as they used to be in school. And I was really terrified by this thing, because I have always been a person who has been loved and cared by the teachers. But when I entered DAV College, I got the most amazing teachers for my life. I would like to mention over here that even till date, when I have passed out from college, if I have any doubt in political science or any issue regarding my life or any practical problem, I have with me Ghanshyam sir. He's the HOD of Political Science Department. If I'm preparing for any debate, declamation, and I need some help, I do not have to think about, even before calling at the oddest hours of the day, to Kriti ma'am, who is from Literary Department. So I got the amazing support system. And as so many students might have mentioned it earlier also, that from the time Pawan sir joined as principal sir, we saw a change. And the change was in the terms of support that we were getting. So as you all know that I won the youth festival as well. When we went to participate in the interzonals, at that time the kind of support, the kind of scenario that was created for us by principal sir was so inspiring and so motivating that it gave us more will to win it and come back with the victory. And then the second thing that's best about DAV College is the kind of diversity we get in this college. Well, in DAV, you'll get people from all the corners of the country and from abroad as well. So you get to face different kind of people, which makes you learn what life actually is. At this point of time, it might sound very philosophical to the new students who might be concerned about the cutoffs and how to get the admission. But trust me when I'm saying that DAV will shape your personality once you enter into the college, because college is not just meant for your fun or for your co-curriculum or for your academics. It is actually meant for the amalgamation of all the three, and DAV is the best platform to get it. And that is what I got. I lived it. I learned what life is. I learned how to save the people. I learned how to raise my voice, and also how to shut the voices which are being raised only to sugarcoat the things. So these are the important lessons that you need to learn in life, and this is what DAV will teach you. This is what DAV will take you. And as you all know, we stand by the sayings of Swami Vivekananda ji. The sayings of the Swami Vivekananda ji will be embodied in your personality when you're studying in DAV College. So if you're able to make it up to DAV, trust me, it will be the best college you'll ever be able to get into, and the teachers that you'll get over here are going to be with you forever. So I hope you all get admissions into DAV College. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Sanjana. Thank you so much for your words. God bless you.
Thank you.
These
Sanjana.
are our role models. These are our role models who are raising the flag of our institution high. The day is not far when you will also rise to dizzy heights and become a source of inspiration for your juniors. Now is the turn of our young dynamic student representatives